Yeah, hello viewers. This is Ete Saa, our baby. Today we are going to see the parts. We are going to watch the parts. Yesterday we talked about the CG motorbike and its parts. Today we are going to take it one after the other to know how the parts looks like and the way it is when it's been fixed on the motorbike. So the first of all, we have the meter, as you know, the speedometer that you saw. This is the speedometer of the motorbike. This is how it looks like. Okay, and then we have the headlight guide. You saw the headlight guide yesterday. We have the headlight guide here also. This is the ignition key. This is the key, the ignition key for the motorbike. Yesterday we talked about this one also. Okay, this is the switch, sets, the winker switch set. This is the one that is used to regulate the lights, the high and dim. And this is the horn. This is used to regulate the horn. This is the left side of the winker switch. As you can see, this is how it looks like. The next one is the right side of the winker switch. It also has the engine. You can use it to turn off the engine stop. This is used to turn off the engine. And we have the starter here. This is the one that we use to start the engine. The engine starter is this one. So this one works with the key. It works with this key. As you can see, this key, it works with this key. So the moment you turn on the key, then you use this starting point to start the engine. So this is the left side of the winker switch. There's the engine stop. You can use it to turn off the engine. Okay, the next one, we'll take the headlights. Actually, the headlights of the CG, they have 3 different types. Yesterday we saw the first type with just 1 bulb, and this one is with 2 bulbs. This is how it looks like. There's a CG headlight bulb. And you see this headlight guide, it's on the headlights like this, as you saw yesterday. This one protects the headlights when the motor had an accident. If it hit something, this one will protect the headlight. So this is the headlights. This is the 2 bulb headlights. Yesterday we saw the one bulb headlight. So the next one, we go to the grip set. We have these 2. Yesterday we saw it. This is the clutch side and this is the brake side. As you can see, this is the one to regulate the clutch. If you want to change to any different clutch, you have to use this clutch lever to regulate the clutch, so that you can change the clutch to a high or a low gear. And you can see these small holes on top of the 2. This is the brake side. I told you yesterday, most of the brakes, it's normally made there to make the motor beautiful. but most of them doesn't work. Yeah, and you can see these two holes. Actually, these two holes is for the mirror. It has a mirror point here. Here you can fix your two mirror, the left and right mirrors. This is how it looks like. Yeah, so these are the two. Yesterday we saw these two also. This one is the crotch one, and this one is the brake side. And the next one is the grip set, the right and the left one. This is the right side for the speed. If you want to gas the motorbike, you use this one to gas the speed. This one is to use to guide the speed. If you want to gas, you want to accelerate the motorbike, you use this one. It's called the grip set. It's used to accelerate the motorbike. This one is the left side, but this left side is just a handle. Normally it's just a handle. Its use is just to hold on to the motorbike like this, but this right side is used to accelerate the motorbike. So this is the grip set. Okay, let's take this one. This one, yesterday we saw the video I made. This one is the tank cover. There's the tank cover of the motorbike. This on the motorbike, the tank, it's on the tank. If you want to put fuel into the tank, normally you open this side. It has a key. You open it so that you can fuel your motorbike. This is the tank cover of the tank. This is how it looks like of the CG bike here. And let's go down to this one. Yesterday we saw this yellowish thing, left and right. This are the reflector. Yesterday I was talking about the reflectors of the motorbike. This is fixed on the motorbike so that in the evening, like at night, if you're coming or if you're riding a motor on the road, the reflector will be reflecting so that any incoming car will notice that you are coming. So these are the reflectors, left and right side of the motorbike. This is how it looks like. So let's go to the signal. Yesterday we saw this one also. This is the winker lamp or the signal lamp. The left and the right signal lamp. This one, actually they have two types of this signal lamp, but this one is the LED one, is the LED signal lamp. They have the bulb, the normal bulb one, but normally the CG motor, it comes with this LED one. So this is the left and right signal lamp. The left and right signal lamp. This is how it looks like, and you can see it's really solid and it's really nice. This is the left side and the right side winker lamp. Okay, as you can see, this one, I think you notice this one down the neck side of the motorbike. This is the horn. This is how the horn looks like. Yeah, this horn. And yesterday down the tank, the fuel tank, we saw this regulator. You can regulate it down. I showed you yesterday. Down. If you want to turn it off, and this one is on, this is how you turn it on, so that the fuel, yeah, this is how you turn it on, so that the fuel can move through these pipes, through this side, so that the engine can work. Go straight from this side to the engine, so that the engine can work. Yeah, it's for fuel. As you can see fuel on it. This is how it looks like. The fuel tap is called the fuel tap. Yeah, and as you can see, this one, the gear lever, this used to regulate the gear up and down. If you want to change, whenever you want to change the gear into a different gear, you use it, and when you want to go back, you still use this same gear lever to regulate the gear. So this is how the gear lever looks like. As you can see, it's metal, it's all metal throughout, as you can see. And we have this rectifier, the charger, rectifier or charger. This is the one, this thing charges the battery. Yeah, this rectifier charges the battery, so that every time the battery will be charged, and will be charged well. This is how it looks like, the battery charger, but we call it rectifier. It charges the battery. And as you can see, this long thing here, this is the front shock. Yesterday we saw this front shock. Yeah, this is the front shock of the motorbike. So how you can see, these are everything that we learned yesterday, we saw yesterday in front of the motorbike, the siege bike. You can see all these are fixed on the motorbike to make the motorbike nicely, as you can see. So once again, thank you for watching my page. Whenever you come by my page, please do subscribe and like my page. Thank you for watching. Ete Saa, thank you.